Hello guys, today in this video we are going to talk about how to cancel happen.co.uk weight loss membership or subscription. Okay, so basically there are two methods by which you can cancel your subscription. So the first method is very easy. You need to compose an email. The email format you can see on your screen. In the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. Okay, and once your email is done, you can take help from ChatGPT also. Once your email is done, you can send the email at their email address, that is hello@happen.co.uk. Okay, and once they receive your email, they will, after verification, they will cancel your membership. And if you want to know like the second method is very easy. You need to visit on the website happen.co.uk, and once you logged in into your Happen portal, and you need to go to on your profile section. When you click on your profile, you need to select account settings section, and then you can select your plan, and you can select your cancel plan option, and uh, you can cancel your subscription very easily. And if both method will not work, you can do one thing also. You can search their phone number. Their phone number is also available on internet, happen.co.uk customer support number. You can dial their phone number. You can ask for cancellation of subscription. By using these three ways, you can cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.